very good morning, children. So we are going to discuss about this lesson, animal fiber. So in this lesson already we have discussed that story of silk. So how to we get silk fabrics and silk fiber. So we get silk from where? Silk marks. Okay, means silk mark life cycle. The pupa stage is very essential to get the silk fibers. So this is some process are involving and we get the last fabrics. Now we are going to discuss about the obtaining process of wool. So already we learned that we have different kinds of seasons. So to that conditions what we doing, we are wearing different kinds of materials. Okay, in summer season we are wearing cotton cloths, in rainy season we are preferring gumboots and raincoats, and in winter season we are wearing what? Sweaters, mufflers, okay, rugs. So that sweaters, mufflers what we are using, that are from where do we get that kind of fabric? Okay, where do we get that kind of fabric? So here the woolen type of cloth mostly it is made by animal fibers. Okay, animals like sheep, goat, yak, llama, camel, alpaca gives us wool. Okay, commonly we know that sheep gives us wool. Okay, here not only sheep, goat, yak, llama, camel, alpaca gives us wool. So means these are living in different places. These animals are living in different places to that climatic conditions. They have different types of hairs. Okay, if you take sheep, okay, what goats, it has soft hair, and if you take camel, it have rough hair. So here two types of hairs are presenting. See this. So this kind of goats. Okay, now sheep, Angora goat. Okay, it is a Angora goat and Angora. So here some different kinds of sheep you are observing now. So this their climatic conditions too. It is body will develop different kind of hair. Should you take this means this how thick hair means this living in very cool places. Okay, means like polar regions, like very cool climatic conditions. These animals live. If you take camel, so this living in desert area. So means according to that conditions, it have very less hair. That is also very coarse and rough hair. Coarse and rough hair. Here soft hair, coarse and rough hair also presenting. So means here we getting this wool mainly from animals. That animals like sheep, goat, yak, llama, camel, alpaca. Okay, now so this wool what we are getting, so we are calling this commonly that is a hair of the animals. Hair of the animals. That hair is mainly a protein. That protein name is keratin. That protein name is what? Keratin. Means so what we are getting, these sheep, goats, yak, camels, etc. So on, what are the animals are there? So these animals hair, it is a protein substance that is known as keratin. Okay, so these animals commonly we are observing in Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, these states in we are mainly this kind of animals are observing. See this poster. So this kind of animals mainly they are observing in that. So to meet their climatic conditions, these bodies are developing to different kinds of age. So here to obtaining wool we have different kinds of process. Okay, if we get the silk fabric, we did some methods. So how that process are there? Here also some steps are there. First step is shearing. First step is shearing. So this shearing is done mainly in spring season. Okay, shearing means so sheep. Here what? Here you see these sheeps. So they bear very thick hair here. So when they are going to shearing process, so they are remove this hair with the help of razors. They are applying grease, do not harm to their body, and they are with the help of some different kinds of razors. So they are cutting fleece or fur. Fleece or fur. So this is mainly done in spring season, during spring season. Why? Because spring season what we have the climatic conditions somewhat different, means somewhat hard. So when they removing this wool from their bodies, so what happen here from their fleece fur, hair fleece fur. So when they are removing, so that time it is able to survive in that place. If in winter season it is doing means what happen? It cool, very cool, presenting in that places. So it is very difficult to survive that animals. That's why it is mainly done in spring season. This shearing is. So what is the definition of shearing? Fleece of sheep is removed from its body using a razor known as shearing. Means completely fleece or fur or hair what is presenting, that completely removing to their bodies. Okay, and after shearing, the next process is scoring. The next process is scoring. So after this completely sheared skin, so they are taken and so presenting hair, twigs, leaves. Okay, that hair they are dipped in big tanks. Okay, these tanks containing chemicals and detergent like chemicals is presenting. So and they are using started with a spade. Okay, how we are when we are going to cooking the curry, not with the help of spoon we are mixing that curry. So same like that what happening. So this sheared skin they are dipped in huge tanks and with the help of spade they are stirring. So while they are stirring, what happening? So the grease, dust, what is the twigs, leaves, what are presenting on their this type of body, means fleece or fur, what we are calling. So that completely removing to this. And after this, what happening? So they are passing cool air. Okay, after this scoring process or washing process completing, so they are passing cool air. So this cool air makes that hair very soft. After the scoring, the third process is sorting. So in this process, what they are doing? So in shearing it, they cut the piece, and scoring in they are what is the huge tanks in they are dipping, and what are the unwanted materials they are removing, and next sorting in. So in this process also what they are doing, coarse and the soft ones. Okay now, so they have two kinds of hairs, so coarse hair and soft hair. So this coarse soft hair and they are making separate piles. Okay, and unwanted materials like twigs, leaves, okay, any other materials if presenting on that wool, so what they are removing, and they are taking long hair and short hair. So here mainly Angora goat is a that hair is presenting 3 to 5 inches, and it is per year this Angora goat gives 5 to 18 kgs of wool. Okay, so here in the sorting process, what they are doing, they are removing coarse and soft ones, and they are making separate piles, long hair, short hair. So after is the machine is presenting, so that this what is now bleach, after bleaching and after dyeing, what is before to dye, so they are combing, means they are combing the hair, soft combing the hair and parting the hair, means here after the machines again here rollers and twisters are presenting. Okay, what are presenting? Rollers and twisters. After combing and carding, so rollers means so that wool they can roll with the roll machine. Okay, and they can twist with the help of twisting machine. Okay, so when they are rolling and twisting, so what is the process is going here? The spinning process is going. This complete process is known as what? Spinning. Okay, roller to they are pushing this wool. After this, wool getting into next section, which is twisting section. So in this twisting section, this is completely the wool twist over. Okay, means we get here woolen fibers. Okay, here the twisting and rolling process completely known as spinning. Okay, here this is known as spinning. After spinning, what is the process is there? Weaving or knitting. Okay, here some members are by using handmade process they are following, or hand looms, power looms also presenting. So here the wool is a natural bend and trim. Okay, they are using big needles and they are knitting. Okay, one line after one line they are knitting. So here woolen and they are knitting woolen fibers by using needles. Wool can be knit easily because it has a natural bend or natural trim. Okay, it easily bend. So they are taking. And next is woolen fabric. So how the woolen fabric is making? So here the what is the machine is presenting there. So they are arranging this woolen fibers. Okay, like back threads and warp threads. Okay, so they are arranging warp threads. So up to down. Okay, that machine do. Again weft threads means these weft threads are going. One thread is down of this warp thread and one thread is up of the warp thread. So like this they are knitting the woolen fabrics. So next after this completing, what we are getting? We are getting the woolen fabrics. These woolen fabrics we are using in our daily life to protect our body. So these woolen fabrics are very means it is absorbing heat, means when we are wearing this woolen kind of fibers, what happening, our body heat is not passed out to the atmosphere, means this is heat absorbing. Okay, that's why winter season we are feeling very what warm.